Hello everyone. Our next unsolved question is Jump Game 3. So let's switch to our question. Okay, let's like it. It's a medium question. Given an array of non-negative integers ARR, you are initially positioned at start, okay, start index of the array. When you are at index I, you can jump to I plus array of I. Oh, that index I, okay, or I minus array of I. Check if you can reach to any index with value 0. Notice that you cannot jump outside of the array at any time. Okay, cool. So we have to check whether k. So somehow I have to reach a 0. I can't see anything greedy in here because we can't sort the array or do anything else. So okay, let's see the constants. 5 cross 10 to the power 4. So the solution will be like order of L log n or whatsoever. Let's check. So if I am at an array at the start array 5, okay, so initially I'm here, I can go back 3 or in the front. Oh, I can't go in the front of it. Okay, array length. Let's try to devise some algo from it. Let's take our example. So our first example given here is 4 2 3 0 3 1 and 2. Initially start is 5. 0 index, I don't think so. It should be 1 index 5. All possible ways to reach 3 with value 0 are index 5 to index 4. Okay, no, yeah, index 5 is this. Okay, let's control Z. This is index 5. If we want to reach 3, we have to explore both of, yeah, we have to explore both sides. Like we have to go this side too and this side too. So it's like a, yeah, it's like a tree traversal. I'm going this side too and this side too. Okay, and from here, and yeah, and if any of the node is visited, then I will break. Okay, it again is a simple traversal kind of question, I guess. Yeah, so what we will do, we will create a function uh, reach 0. Okay. Reach 0. Okay, we start from some start index. So we will check, we will create a set visited. Okay, and we will check if start isn't visited. If we already visited, then break. Okay, break not return. Else we are gonna reach 0. We will try to reach 0 by adding start plus array of start, and again the another one is also same. Okay, from to left to a right. Okay, let's try to write the code of it. So these questions are a bit easy if you try, if you already have knowledge of how DFS, BFS or traversal works inside trees. All you have to, so what I have did it, I found that there are two choices. Okay, and if you want to try make it optimal, or there's some base, I will say make it optimal, you have to take a set and check whether anything is visited or not. So let's try it. So what we are doing here is kind of DFS traversal. We could also go for BFS, but let's stick with DFS. Okay, so I will define a helper function, that it's what I always do, and I will start from start. Okay, and I will also take a visited to reduce the extra load of checking same thing more than once. Okay, so visited is a set here. Yeah, visited as a set will work. DFS or reach 0. We can also, yeah, let's write it rather DFS. No big deal. So if start in visited, visited, return. So yeah, return. So it will return false. Okay, not false. If start in visited, return. Yeah. Okay, and if start is already, okay, if array of start, if array of start is equal to 0, then return true directly. We don't have to further explore it. Return true. Else we have to do all this. Okay. So if start in visited, return. Else, okay, we don't need to add it here. We can directly add this here too, because we started our visited empty. So if array of start, array, if array of start is equal to 0, then return true. Okay. Else, call DFS on start plus array of start. Okay, and same will be done on minus array of start. Control V array minus start. Okay, but we have to also keep a check that this start shouldn't be yeah, this start index should not go beyond the array. Okay, so we will check it here. So if start is less than, okay, return true or return DFS left, or somehow if we will be able to find any, if we will be able to find any of these, then it will work. So I put or here, or in here, return DFS of this or this. But if start is less than not, yeah, less than 0, or start is greater than equal to length of array, in both cases return false. Oh no, I'm doing it wrong. If start is less than 0, or yeah, it's good, no problem. So at the end we can return directly, return DFS of start. Yeah, it should work. Let's see. Okay, it's working. We might get TLE or what? Yeah, we can get TLE. We haven't put that condition. Okay, no. Maximum. Okay, okay. Oh, there's some problem. It shouldn't be like, there must be some problem. So if we start in visited, return. We are not appending it in visited. Oh, okay, so let's append it in visited. So, oh, okay, visited, not append, add. It's a set now. So visited dot add start. Yeah, now code is running. Well, I should have checked it. It's like, yeah, okay, it's working fine. You can also do it with same with BFS. Okay, cool. Thanks. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys.